You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. Markets experienced significant fluctuations last week, but these worries quickly faded away thanks to fresh economic data from the United States, which eased fears of a possible deep recession in the world's largest economy. Warnings of an impending recession are no longer so loud, and investors now believe that the U.S. Federal Reserve is not late in the process of adjusting interest rates. Current market expectations show only a 25% chance of a 50 basis point rate cut at the next Fed meeting. Japan stood out in Asian markets in particular. The Nikkei index rose 3% on Friday, which allowed it to end the week with the best results since April 2020. This is due to the index's attempts to regain its record positions. At the same time, the yen has weakened by almost 5% from its 7-month high reached last week, and is now trading near the level of 149 yen per dollar. Despite the fact that the yen is starting to seem cheap, its volatility is forcing international investors to reconsider the feasibility of transactions based on financing at the expense of the yen. While most of the world's central banks are planning to lower interest rates, the Reserve Bank of Australia is starting to stand out against this background. The head of the bank, Michelle Bullock, said on Friday that it was too early to talk about cutting rates, since core inflation was still too high, and the bank's board was focused on possible risks of price increases. Her statement came after the Reserve Bank of New Zealand this week cut interest rates for the first time in 4 years. This statement and related expectations may support the Australian dollar. And now to the crypto market. There are no significant publications in the news calendar for Friday that can significantly affect market volatility. Yesterday, against the background of new data from the United States, Bitcoin tested support around $55,000 to $57,000. Given the end of the week, in the absence of any surprises in the information field, today, it is more likely that we can expect price consolidation in the formed range. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.